Have you ever wondered about the specifics of an M10 thread? Well, it's high time we delve into the nitty-gritty of this ubiquitous engineering component. The M10 thread, a frequent component in engineering and manufacturing, possesses several defining characteristics. Initially, its nominal diameter, or the center around which the thread is formed, is 10 millimeters, roughly equivalent to 0.3937 inches. The following attribute to consider is the pitch. This refers to the distance from one thread to the adjacent one, which for the M10 is 1.5 millimeters, 0.0591 inches. This space is where the so-called magic occurs, where the threads interlock and create a secure bond. Subsequently, we have the pitch diameter. This is the diameter of a hypothetical cylinder, where the width of the threads and space between threads are equal. For the M10, this is approximately 9.026 millimeters, 0.3554 inches. After this, we discuss the minor diameter, the smallest diameter of the thread. This measures roughly 8.376 millimeters, or 0.3298 inches. The thread height, which is the gap between the crest and the root of the thread, is 0.812 millimeters, or 0.032 inches. The addendum, the height from the pitch diameter to the crest, is 0.487 millimeters, or 0.0192 inches. Talking about the crest and root, these are the external and internal points of the thread respectively. The M10 measures 0.188 millimeters or 0.0074 inches at these points. Regarding drilling, the tap drill size for a 75% depth thread is 8.54 millimeters or approximately 0.336 inches. Finally, the included angle of the M10 thread is 30 degrees. This is the angle formed by the intersection of the two sides, the thread. In summary, the M10 thread is characterized by numerous specific dimensions and angles, from the nominal diameter of 10 millimeters to the included angle of 30 degrees. These characteristics ensure the M10's and dependability in a variety of engineering and manufacturing applications. So the next time you come across an M10 thread, you'll know exactly what you are observing.